Henrietta.
I'm a boy!
Oh, yes, lovely curls you've got. Now come and give your great Aunt Greta a nice big kiss.
Stop fidgeting, Henry, and sit down while I get the tea.
Ants in your pants, Henrietta?
No, Great Aunt Greta.
Please, Great Aunt Greta, have a chocolate.
Oh, I love chocolates. Peter, you are a dear, sweet boy. Oh, it's empty.
Empty?
Empty? Henry!
Leaving already, Great Aunt Greta? Do come again soon.
That was horrid, Henry. Simply horrid.
Why, thank you.
But, Mom, it was me. Go to your room right now, Henry, and no television all day.
I'm the horrid one in this house, and don't you forget it.
Oh, thank you, Peter. You're such a good boy.
Such a good boy, Peter. Let's face it, Peter, you're bad at being horrid, but great at being good. But get lost, you. Duh.
From now on, I'm going to be the most perfect boy ever. Peter!
Henry, it's not fair.
No, it's horrid.
Hi, I am Marty, the creator of Citv Marty, so we civilized this will be the final minutes of Citv Marty. So we spread out 25 years of love, support, and kindness. We really enjoyed being in 25 years and all of that hard work and support we've all made. So here, the end. We really enjoyed to make fun and something that literally changed the world. So here we are at the good end of Citv Marty. So Citv Marty will be replaced with a new television called UberX. So UberX starts tomorrow, the 13th of June 2024 at 6 a.m. Here are seconds before ending thousands of people watching right now and being sad, so we have to give them a big goodbye. So we spread lots of memories together with all children's programs like Crab's Turn, Day and Night, Horrid Henry, The Universal of Jack, and lots of more. This is my final message. Goodbye.